Are you bored of wearing jeans? Then try these 5 options. Number 1, a satin skirt that instantly adds polish to even the simplest outfit. It's lightweight, flowy, and feels luxurious on the skin. Perfect for brunches, date nights, or even work if styled with a crisp shirt. Number 2, trousers aren't just office wear anymore. They are fashion forward essentials. Style them with bodysuits, oversized shirt, or even sneakers for smart casual off duty vibe. Number 3 is culottes. So these cropped wide leg pants are great for warmer weather and looks good with tucked in t-shirts. So pair it with heels or wedgies to create the illusion of height. Number 4 is elasticated jeans. So if you're not ready to say goodbye to denim altogether, so try these elasticated or pull-on jeans. They work beautifully with oversized knits or fitted tanks. Number 5 is our classic shorts. So don't underestimate a good pair of shorts. Pair them with a blazer for a high low contrast or go all out with a matching cord set. Add sneakers or espadrilles and you are ready to go.